Hello from Sandmax again. I just clean up my Blacknsow Pangaea Gran Torino because I figured out the ardently rack in front was terrible. So I just ordered a new rack, more expensive of course, but more good. So I will install it soon, and I will show you how it is with the bike. So my next upgrade of the bike is in this version 27.5. I will put in the front a 180 rotor, okay, and in the back 160 rotor from III Pro, and I will show you this upgrade soon. Also, I have another changing of the bike. Now I will install and test 29er tires 2.1. Okay, follow me to see the upgrade. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe and share, and tell to me if you prefer the bicycle, the Pangaea Blacknsow Pangaea Gran Torino naked like this, or with a lot of bag. I think in this way is more aggressive and more good for off-road. Thank you very much. Like, subscribe and share.